7 warning signs of poor gut health and how to fix them naturally. Your gut plays a pivotal role in your health, far beyond digestion. When it's in poor shape, your body sends signals, some subtle, some hard to ignore. But are you paying attention? In this video, we're covering 7 warning signs of poor gut health that could be affecting your well-being and how you can fix them naturally. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on crucial health tips like these. Ready? Let's get started. Ignoring the health of your gut can lead to long-term complications that affect your entire body, including your immune system, skin, and even your mental health. But what are the signs you should be on the lookout for? Here are 7 warning signs that your gut might be in trouble, and how you can start fixing them naturally. Warning sign number 1. Constant bloating. Bloating can happen after a heavy meal, but if you feel bloated after almost every meal, even when eating small portions or healthy foods, this could be a sign of an imbalanced gut. Your body may be struggling to digest certain foods properly, leading to gas buildup and discomfort. How to fix it? Start by incorporating probiotics into your daily diet. Foods like kefir, sauerkraut, kombucha, and Greek yogurt contain live beneficial bacteria that help balance the gut microbiome. Also, practice mindful eating. Eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly can prevent air from being swallowed and reduce the likelihood of bloating. Additionally, pay attention to food intolerances like lactose or gluten, as they could be contributing to your bloating. Cutting back on these can offer immediate relief while you work to restore gut health. Warning sign number 2. Frequent digestive issues. If you're regularly experiencing diarrhea, constipation, or a mix of both, your gut may be struggling to function properly. These frequent disruptions can be a sign that your gut's natural bacteria are out of balance, making it hard for your body to absorb nutrients or regulate bowel movements. How to fix it? Focus on increasing your fiber intake, but make sure you're getting the right type. Soluble fiber from foods like oats, beans, and apples helps soften stool, while insoluble fiber from whole grains and vegetables helps bulk it up. Strive for a balanced intake to regulate digestion. If your gut still isn't functioning properly, consider doing a food sensitivity test to rule out any underlying intolerances that may be contributing to your digestive issues. Remember, regular movement, such as light exercise or walking, can also help keep your digestive system moving. Warning sign number 3. Fatigue and low energy levels. Your gut is responsible for absorbing nutrients that fuel your body. When your gut is unhealthy, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies, leaving you feeling constantly tired, sluggish, or even mentally foggy. Chronic fatigue is a major sign that something's off with your digestion. How to fix it? Focus on gut-nourishing foods that support energy production. In particular, prebiotics, the food that feeds healthy gut bacteria, are key. Foods like asparagus, garlic, leeks, and bananas can promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn helps your body absorb more nutrients from your food. It's also a good idea to incorporate digestive enzymes, especially if you've noticed food sitting heavily in your stomach. These enzymes can help your gut break down food more efficiently, boosting your energy levels throughout the day. Warning sign number 4. Unexplained skin problems. Your gut and skin are closely linked through what's known as the gut-skin axis. Skin conditions like acne, eczema, or unexplained rashes may indicate inflammation caused by an unhealthy gut. When your gut is imbalanced, it can lead to a buildup of toxins, which may manifest as skin problems. How to fix it? Eliminate processed foods and refined sugars, which can increase inflammation and lead to gut imbalance. Focus on consuming anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, rich in omega-3s, turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens. In addition, staying hydrated is key. Water helps flush toxins from your body, reducing their negative impact on both your gut and your skin. Adding collagen or bone broth to your diet can also support skin healing by helping repair the gut lining. Warning sign number 5. Food intolerances or allergies. Have you developed new food intolerances that weren't an issue before? This could be a sign of leaky gut syndrome, where the gut lining becomes damaged, allowing undigested food particles to pass into the bloodstream. This can lead to immune reactions and inflammation. How to fix it? The key to healing food sensitivities is repairing the gut lining. L-glutamine, an amino acid, can support gut wall repair and reduce leaky gut symptoms. You can find this in bone broth or as a supplement. Pair it with a diet rich in whole foods, while cutting out processed foods, which are known to worsen inflammation and leaky gut. Avoid common triggers like dairy, gluten, and soy while your gut heals, and slowly reintroduce them later on to see how your body reacts. Warning sign number 6. Frequent illness or weak immune system. Are you catching every cold that comes your way? 70% of your immune system is housed in your gut, meaning an unhealthy gut can weaken your body's natural defenses. If you've noticed that you're frequently sick or that wounds take longer to heal, your gut might be the culprit. How to fix it? Strengthen your gut by incorporating immune-boosting probiotics. Look for supplements containing strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus or Bifidobacterium lactis, which are known to support immune health. Along with probiotics, ensure you're consuming vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, and zinc from foods like pumpkin seeds and chickpeas to help bolster your immune system. Warning sign number 7. Mood swings and mental health issues. Your gut and brain are in constant communication through what's called the gut-brain axis. If your gut is out of balance, you might experience symptoms like anxiety, depression, or mood swings. An unhealthy gut can reduce your body's ability to produce mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin. How to fix it? Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids into your diet by eating salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. These fats reduce inflammation in the gut and promote brain health. Adding fermented foods like kimchi, miso, and pickles can also help balance the gut microbiome, which has a positive impact on your mental health. Additionally, consider mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga, which not only reduce stress but can also promote a healthy gut-brain connection. The information in this video is intended for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health regimen. If you suspect you have a serious medical condition or gut-related disorder, please consult with a doctor or licensed medical professional. An unhealthy gut doesn't just affect your digestion, it can impact your entire body. From skin conditions to fatigue to mood disorders, your gut health plays a central role in your well-being. The good news is that by listening to your body's signals and making small, consistent changes, you can restore balance naturally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips.